Don't burn your toe off in this game that helps players pass with precision. It's time for The Floor is Lava. Use a half-court size space. Uh-oh, it's made of lava. Scatter cones randomly throughout, spaced about 5 feet apart. These are the islands. Here's how it looks. Divide the group into pairs and give each one a ball. On your call,
go!
Pairs take turns passing to their partner and catching the ball. But they can only do so while standing at an island. No dribbling allowed here. It's too hot. Once a player passes to their partner, they must run to an open island to receive the next pass. Pairs repeat this pattern, keeping track of how many passes they can make before time is up.
3, 2, 1, freeze!
Play short rounds, about a minute long. Then, challenge pairs to make at least one more pass in the next round. Remind players to use proper passing form, using both hands to push the ball toward the target, taking a step forward in that direction and following through with both arms.
Good job, bring it on in.
1, 2,